Hello there. So I got a special delivery this week from the post office. Let's open and see what's inside. Well, there's something old and something new. First, ARC's miniature pack. I will talk about them separately. Second though, the new ARC's playmat. Let's unbox the playmat together. This is a box cutter challenge. Okay, and it's open. Here we go. Already looking very good. The color seems to be more vibrant than the board. Still struggling to open. No, here we go. Opening up. Let's zoom out and roll it open. I like it. Now let's compare it to the board that arrived with the game itself. So it is roughly the same size. One difference mentioned on the Leader Games Studio chat is that the writing on the card slot is gone, since it was technically difficult to write small text when you're playing. But other than that, that's the only difference I could find. Definitely looking forward to my next game of ARCs. Bye!